All right, FitLifers, Drew Canoli. I'm in my kitchen. This Saturday strategy is gonna be a little bit different, and I know you've been waiting for this. At the end of the video, I'm actually gonna be giving away a juicer, the J Cordich Power Grind Pro. You can see it right there. I'm gonna be giving away the juicer, and I promised you that I would be giving away more Sun Warrior product, okay? Absolutely love Sun Warrior, so I'm gonna be doing that as well. So the holidays are coming up, and I want you to be prepared, FitLifer. I don't want you to use the holidays as an excuse to gorge yourself or eat or, release yourself and have whatever you want and then gain 10 pounds, and then January 1st comes around, you could get a gym membership, you work out for 2 weeks, only to go right back to where you were. That's the problem in America. Everybody wants that instant quick fix. It doesn't work like that. We have to adjust our habits over time, and those habits that we change over time shape our destiny and who ultimately we become. Okay, so I'm making some toast, and while I talk to you here, I don't have a toaster because I don't really eat a lot of toast, but when I'm hungry, I need to eat something, right? This is sprouted Ezekiel bread. And the reason I like sprouted bread is because my body absorbs a lot more of it, and it's a lot easier to digest. It doesn't bump up my insulin as much. You see, a lot of people go out and they buy things for their family. You love your family, so you want them to feel good, right? You get the cookies, the brownies, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, the things that probably are loaded with calories, that are a little bit more difficult to burn off on a cardio session in the morning. And you reward yourself, right? So the holidays is a time of rewarding yourself and letting go. I want you to do me a favor this holiday season as your coach. I want you to commit to not rewarding yourself around the holidays. Don't fall into this social trap. So to control your environment, it's real simple. I like to plan, I like to stay organized, because when you plan and you organize and you have a map of where you're going, you're not gonna deviate. A lot of people are deviating, so check it out. Real quick, breakfast up here. I got some omega-rich eggs, all kinds of good stuff. Glutathione. You wanna have some fun on the internet? Google what this does for you. That's all I gotta say about that. Here we go. As you can tell, Liquid Light. This is loaded with minerals, over 72 trace minerals. One of the best things you can put in your body. Lots of veggies here, right? So for juicing, I'm stocked, I'm ready to go. Whenever I wanna make a juice, I can come in here, get that out. On Sunday night, I like to cook in bulk. So I have a lot of chili, I have sweet potatoes here, so that I'm never caught in the kitchen without anything to eat. All right, so next cabinet. When you need a snack, you gotta have lots of snacks. It's real simple and easy, right? I'm never caught without something to put in my body. So my energy is always up. As you can tell, goji berries, cacao powder, lots of superfoods, maca powder, cacao, spirulina, carob, cashews. Here's another treat. I absolutely love cashews. Brazil nuts, high in selenium, great for testosterone. It's actually a precursor to that. And then barley, activated barley, one of my favorite things, pre-workout, Sun Warrior product, before I go in the gym as well. You come over to this cabinet, and I have all my tinctures that I like to mix in with the juice. So milk thistle, great for detoxing your liver. Hushu Wu, great for anti-aging type stuff. The only sweetener that I have in my house, and the FitLifers will attest to this, is stevia. Once in a while, I'll mix a little bit in with my tea or my coffee or whatever, but it's actually antibacterial, antimicrobial. There's a lot of health benefits to it as well, but one of the things you want to watch out for with stevia is it actually tricks your taste buds into craving sweet things. So sometimes I'll have that, and I'll be out at a restaurant and be like, why do I want cookies right now? Why do I want all these desserts? You got to train your taste to trim your waist, which is our new book that we just came out with. One thing that I want to show you is this, okay? My oil cabinet. Coconut oil, olive oil. I use this for salads. It's got a lower smoking point, so sometimes you don't want to cook with olive oil. It's almost better to cook with coconut oil. You mix this in with your juice. If you're on a fast and you feel like you're getting a headache, mix it in with a little bit of coconut oil, or you're feeling fatigued, you want some more energy. Coconut oil almost instantly turns into energy in the body versus stored fat. So the purpose of this Saturday strategy was to show you that there is no excuse around the holidays. Don't feel like you have to reward yourself by having cookies, treats, all these other things. All right, FitLifers, so the winner of this week's juicer, I'm actually reading it right now, is actually Jackie S. Thames. Jackie dealt with a lot of different issues with the health. She tried things over and over and over again. Long story short, juicing was actually the catalyst that saved her life. So she wrote a really heartfelt message about how this experience changed her from within. and now she wants to change other people. Her mom is actually experiencing breast cancer, and she needs a juicer for her mother. So the juicer is going out to you, Jackie. Congratulations. And then also, we're giving away Sun Warrior protein today as well. And that is going to Diane Hammerling. She just bought her juicer, so she's good to go with that. But we want to send the protein to her because she asked, how to get more protein in her diet, different things like that. So we're sending the Sun Warrior protein to her. Absolutely amazing brand. We made the video last week in regards to the Sun Warrior protein on the last Saturday strategy. If you haven't seen that, check it out. It's in this blog below us as well, or on YouTube, just click the link below this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this Saturday strategy as much as I love making it for you. Just kind of wanted to give you a little tour of what's in my kitchen, how I stay healthy, how we keep our transformation clients healthy, and living good lives. So if you enjoyed this video, there's an orange bubble for premium content below this. Click on that and invest in yourself today. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. It's been another Saturday strategy. I'll see you next week. Now I got my toast. I don't have a toaster because I don't eat a lot of bread. Ready? This is gonna be the funniest Saturday strategy. Ready?